Hello guys, welcome to channel Gadget Pro. Alright, let's talk about the brand new Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Google latest chips are premium wireless earbuds. Are these the AirPods killer or just another overpriced repair? Let's find out. So let's go. Right up the box, these things look sleek, modern and premium. They come in a matte finish case that supports wireless charging and has a super satisfying snap when you close it. But let's get to the real deal performance. Google has upgraded their active noise cancellation, and wow, it's impressive whether you are in a coffee shop, over a flight, or just avoiding your chat in a bar. This block out distractions like a bro. And if you still need to hear what is going on, the transparency mode works like magic. Keep it noise crisp and natural for all the audio fields. Yes, Google finally needed the 11 AM custom drive and delivered the bus. Clear mats and crisp highs. You can even took the sound in the Pixel Buds app to match your vibe. Call quality solid. Google's app out and noise reduction makes sure your voice sounds crystal clear. Even in windy condition, no more can you no movements. Touch controls are top to play, swipe to adjust volume. Hold for ANC, and hey, they finally added multi-device pairing so you can switch between your laptop and phone seamlessly. Battery life 11 hours on a single charge, up to 31 hours with the case. And guess what? Just 5 minutes. Oh, Hertz gives you 10 hours of playtime. But for this, oh no, I forgot to charge moments. Since this is Google Assistant is built in, just say hey Google to send text, check weather or control your smartphone all hand-free. It even has real-time translation in 14 plus languages. Crazy, right? So how does they stack up? If you are deep in the Google ecosystem, these are easily the best earbuds you can get. Better inside than AirPods, get sound and a super smart experience. But if you are after absolute top tier noise cancellation, Sony's W1000XM5 might still have a slight edge. Final verdict at $179. Unless if you find them on a sales or they are win. Premium features, solid battery and that's with Swiss Google integration. Thinking of grabbing a pair? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like and if you want more gadget reviews and this subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.